Today, I'm going to walk you through how to change the order of clips in your CapCut project using the PC software. This skill is essential for refining your edits, telling your story the way you want, and keeping your viewers engaged from start to finish. Once you master this, rearranging clips will feel effortless, and your workflow will be much smoother. Let's jump right in. First, you'll need to open your video project in the CapCut Desktop app. Just launch CapCut on your computer and double-click on the project you want to edit. If you're starting fresh, you can quickly create a new project by clicking New Project. Once the workspace loads up, you should see your timeline running along the lower middle section of the screen. This is essentially the backbone of your entire edit, a place where all your video, photo, and audio clips come together like blocks in a puzzle. Now, take a moment to locate the clip you want to move. The timeline is organized horizontally, usually from left to right, representing the sequence in which your audience will see your videos. Each block on this timeline represents a separate video or photo clip. Sometimes, if you have a busy project, it can take an extra second to find the exact clip you want to shift. Smaller thumbnails, labels, or even colored markers may help you identify the right one. Don't rush. Making sure you pick the correct clip here is important because shifting the wrong element could mess with your video's flow. Once you've found your target clip, you're ready to change its position. All you need to do is click on it with your mouse. Press and hold that button. You'll notice the clip highlights or gets a slight outline, signaling that you have it selected and can move it. Now, while keeping the button held down, simply drag the clip left or right along the timeline to your desired new position. You're literally reordering the flow of your video, just like reshuffling scenes in a movie. If this is your first time, don't worry if it feels awkward at first. Most editing programs use this exact click and drag approach, and it becomes second nature with just a little practice. As you drag, pay attention to the timeline markers or faint outlines that appear. CapCut does a nice job of visually indicating where your clip will land, and it will temporarily shift other clips aside as you hover. Take a quick moment here. Make sure you're not accidentally hovering too high or low on the timeline, because you might end up dragging the clip into a different layer like overlays, audio, or text tracks. These layers are separate and behave differently, so always ensure you're working with the main sequence and not an extra element. Once you've got your clip lined up at the perfect spot for your story, release the mouse button. Instantly, CapCut will drop the clip into its new place and reorganize the timeline, snapping your clips back together. It's as easy as rearranging books on a shelf. Everything stays in order, and you can see your edits reflected right away. At this point, it's always smart to play through the segment you've just edited, just to confirm that everything flows smoothly and nothing has gone out of sync. And just a small note, sometimes it's tempting to move overlays, music tracks, or text boxes in the same way. Remember, those have their own dedicated layers and work independently from the main video photo clips. Always double-check that you're grabbing the actual visual clip you want to rearrange. That's it. With just a few clicks and drags, you've changed your video's order in CapCut on your PC, making your story clearer, punchier, or just more fun to watch. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into a tricky step, and subscribe to the channel for more easy editing guides like this. Happy editing! See you in the next video.